If you need to cancel a Calendly appointment, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. Whether your schedule changed, the meeting is no longer needed, or you simply booked the wrong time, Calendly makes it easy to cancel an upcoming appointment. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account using the email address connected to your booking. Once you're signed in, look for the meeting section on your dashboard. This is where Calendly keeps your scheduled events and appointment details in one place. Next, click on the Upcoming tab. This is important because your future appointments will appear here, and this is where you can find the meeting you want to remove. Now take a moment to locate the exact appointment you want to cancel. If you have more than one booking, make sure you select the correct one so you don't cancel the wrong meeting by mistake. Once you've found it, open the appointment details. Inside those details, you'll see a cancel button. Go ahead and click cancel to begin the cancellation process. Calendly may ask you to enter a reason for canceling. If it does, type a short explanation that fits your situation. You can keep it simple and professional. After that, click confirm cancellation. This final step makes sure the appointment is officially cancelled and the other person is notified if Calendly is set up to send notifications. Once you confirm, your appointment will no longer appear as an upcoming meeting. If needed, you can always go back and schedule a new time later. So that's how to cancel a Calendly appointment quickly and correctly. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides.